Isn't she so pretty? I finally got it. I finally got it. My delivery's here. Now, let's get back to our butter slime. Remember, for this slime is half a cup of school glue, half a cup of glue all, a little bit of clear slime, and activator. The secret to our butter slime is clay. So let's add it and knead. And if for any reason you don't have the right texture, just continue to add more clay. But remember, add a little bit at a time. At this point, I felt like I had the perfect consistency. My butter slime was complete. Please share, like, and follow. Thank you so much for your support. And click the link in the bio for all of your slime needs. Bye!